All right, guys, so welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Yeah, I have some cases for the iPhone 13, the new Air. Yeah, the new version. Yeah, I actually got this for my wife as soon as it launched, but I just didn't decide to do any videos on it. I wasn't sure about it. It actually turns out it's really nice. So today I'm going to go through some Poetic cases for you guys for an unboxing and a fitting. So obviously this is the turtle. This is one of the most popular cases. And after putting this turtle on, I got to tell you, I'm definitely thinking about getting me the new iPad Air 13. I think it's the most logical choice for a lot of people. It's basically the previous generation labeled as an Air. But the turtle case fits this iPad perfectly. I mean, I think this is the ultimate case for someone who wants a protection for their iPad Air 13. It's just a beautiful thing. And it's specifically for the 13s. You can see the camera cut out because the other case I'm going to show you, it can work with both the 13 Air and the 13 Pro. So yeah, you can see here the volume rocker, the front camera cut out, the fingerprint reader cuts out perfectly, and everything just around it looks good. The front firing speakers are back. Remember, the turtle case is the one that projects the speakers to the front, so you have stereo front firing speakers now. This iconic pattern on the back is just one of my most favorites, so really like it. Now, the Revolution obviously is a more rugged style with a kickstand and kind of follows their smartphones that they typically bring out. So this one I have a spot for the pen. She does have the pencil. She does have the new pencil, and because she actually has the keyboard set up from Apple, but I saw these and Poetic decided to reach out and say, "Hey Jay, you want to review these?" I said, "Sure." So popping it off here, same as like the cases, man. You pretty much get like really rugged protection, and you get a kickstand on there. So let's pop it on here. I think I made a oopsie on this one. I put it on first without peeling the inner screen off, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it off now. I realized that I was like, "Oops, it's too wrinkly under there. Forgot to take it off." So here we go. I'm not cleaning her screen or anything like that. I know you can see that I didn't clean the screen or anything like that because I'm gonna let her decide which one of these she wants to use after the video is done. But ultimately, this is the ultimate protection, and you definitely get the use of a rugged style case for your iPad. This iPad is actually really nice. Again, she's had it. I got it for her at launch, and she's been using it daily. And it's actually a really good iPad. I just didn't see the need for an iPad for me. I prefer MacBooks, but ultimately, I think I'm probably going to grab one of these just to have one because, again, I've always had an iPad, but lately, after I sold my iPad mini, I just wasn't feeling it anymore. But this 13, I've been contemplating getting one now for quite some time. It is very impressive, and it is a very good option for a person that wants an iPad. In goes the pencil, and boom, here we are. You have a full setup for your pencil, your iPad. You've got the kickstand, the iconic kickstand that they have on these, and it just pops out. It just works well. There's no getting around it. This is a good setup. In this case right here, it's compatible with both 13-inch iPads. You can see the camera cut out there. So yeah, there it is, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is nice. You can see all the cutouts line up perfectly. This one doesn't give the front firing speakers, but still, everything lines up great. Link to purchase is down below. Take care.